Hey there! Welcome back to our channel Peak Decor Home. Today, we're diving into something we all can relate to, the kitchen cleanup. A clean kitchen sets the tone for a happy home. And guess what? We've got some super easy hacks to make that cleaning process a breeze. Let's jump right in. Alright folks, let's kick off with our first hack, quick daily maintenance. Why bother? Well, it's your secret weapon against kitchen chaos. Doing small tasks every day not only prevents a mess from piling up, but also makes your life easier. Imagine just spending a few minutes each day to tackle dishes, wipe surfaces, and sweep the floor. It's like magic for maintaining a consistently clean kitchen without breaking a sweat. Next up, let's talk about another game changer, multi-purpose cleaning products. These little heroes can do wonders for your kitchen. We're all about efficiency here, and these versatile cleaners are the real MVPs. Say goodbye to a cluttered cabinet full of specialty products. Stick around as we introduce and demonstrate a few fantastic multi-purpose cleaners that will simplify your cleaning routine like never before. Now let's dive into the world of time-saving cleaning tools. We get it. Nobody wants to spend hours scrubbing away. That's where the right tools come in. We'll be sharing some nifty gadgets and instruments designed to cut your cleaning time in half. Stay tuned to discover the must-have tools that make kitchen cleaning a breeze, so you can spend more time doing the things you love. Let's tackle a crucial aspect of a tidy kitchen, organizational strategies. Because let's be real, a well-organized space makes cleaning way easier. We're not talking about complex systems here, just simple tricks to keep everything in its place. Stick around as we share practical hacks to declutter and organize your kitchen effortlessly. Get ready for a cleaner and more efficient cooking haven. Now, let's address a common kitchen challenge: easy grease removal. Grease can be stubborn, but fear not. We've got some hacks up our sleeves to make that grease disappear without a struggle. Stay with us as we share simple tips and products that'll have your kitchen surfaces shining in no time. Say goodbye to grease-related headaches and hello to a gleaming kitchen. Time to tackle another hotspot, microwave and oven cleaning shortcuts. We get it. These appliances can get messy, but cleaning them doesn't have to be a chore. We've got some quick and easy shortcuts that will have your microwave and oven looking spotless without the hassle. Stick around for these time-saving tips that will keep your cooking appliances in top-notch condition effortlessly. Let's talk about something we might not love but is crucial: scheduling deep cleans. It's like giving your kitchen a spa day. Regular deep cleaning keeps things in tip-top shape. Stay tuned as we discuss a simple schedule that won't overwhelm you. We'll show you how to make deep cleaning a breeze, ensuring your kitchen stays fresh and inviting. Now, for a little teamwork, involving the family. Cleaning is a group effort, and getting the family involved can make it fun. Stick around as we share strategies to turn cleaning into a family activity. From kids to adults, we've got tips that will have everyone lending a hand. A cleaner kitchen is a team effort, and we're here to make it enjoyable for the whole crew. There are effortless kitchen cleaning hacks you need to try. Your kitchen is now on its way to becoming a haven of cleanliness. Don't forget to subscribe for more Peak Decor home tips. Until next time, happy cleaning and enjoy your sparkling kitchen.